Thinking about hiring a fence company but not sure who to trust? I get it. It's a big decision. I'm James. I'm the owner of Ideal Fence. Since 2001, my goal has been simple: to give the homeowners fences they can be proud of, without the stress and uncertainty that too often comes with hiring a contractor. Let's start with cost. Everyone looks at the price tag first, and I do too when I look for investments into my own home. But the truth is, cheap isn't good and good isn't cheap. That's why Ideal Fence offers premium materials like our heavy-duty steel post foundations. This gives your fence the strength to stand for years. You'll always be able to find someone who charges less, but what you won't get is the durability and peace of mind we deliver. Now trust. That's earned, not given. And I know it's not easy when you're making a large investment. That's why I'm proud that Ideal Fence has become one of the highest rated fence companies in Kokomo. Countless homeowners have left 5-star reviews showing just how happy they are with the finished product. Another common concern is clarity. Some contractors promise the moon, then leave customers disappointed. At Ideal Fence, we believe honesty matters more than hype. That's why I provide clear, detailed estimates before the work begins. And we set installation timelines that we know we can keep. No surprises, no excuses, just straightforward communication. At the end of the day, your fence is made up of more than just some wood material or vinyl or metal. It's there to protect your property, all while adding value and giving your family peace of mind. We're constantly improving through ongoing training, and we're committed to delivering workmanship that truly lasts. If you're ready for a fence built with integrity and care, Ideal Fence is ready to build it for you. Let's get started.